Okay, can I use the Eiffel Tower? Like, how far can I stretch my arm? That's just ridiculous. Are you crazy? All right. Good work. Perfect. A suitcase full of clothes that aren't even my
Ayun.
size. You're gonna rob
Si
the
Madam
robber?
Madiday.
Is that what's happening?
Madam, pamassage ka, Madam.
Yeah,
Hmm.
you're good. You're good.
Massage ka dyan,
No
Madam.
chance. I love that.
Say,
Oh,
massage na to
interesting.
dyan,
So
Madam.
I'm pretty sure the crab
Okay lang ka,
is gonna be a
Madam.
problem.
Okay
But
kayo
can I
din,
just go straight
Papang.
for it?
Okay lang ka,
Okay
Madam.
kayo.
Crab not looking. There you go. Problem solved. No one's
Okay
fine.
ng
This
massage,
guy's so proud
Madam.
of himself 'cause he has a key to the
Okay
door.
ng
So
massage,
do I get to
Madam.
reach over the door?
Eh,
Enjoy niya.
The key,
okay
like,
ng massage,
Talaga?
Madam.
Oy, gusto yun ah.
but I can't-
Lagi na yung
can't touch
dadapa.
him. Okay.
Madam.
He had no idea how
Lagi naman yung dumadapa siya eh.
Ganito si Kim dati eh. Pag sinabing
Tapos pag
massage, dapa agad eh.
Tapos pag